Welcome to the kit for aging, mature or sensitive skin, and that kit is designed to really help hydrate the skin, protect the skin, lift and tighten the skin is really important. And that being said, a lot of these skin types may have had laser treatments in the past, so the skin can be a little bit sensitive. So we have made this kit that contains 8 items in the kit that really help support a dry, mature skin that needs toning, that needs firming and brightening, and that's what our kit's about. So our first product in our kit is the cleanser, the Essential Cleansing Gel. It is a gel cleanser that is non-foaming. We don't want anything foaming, and it's applied into the skin, put on clean, dry hands, massaged into the face. Nighttime cleanse, you should always cleanse twice at night. The first cleanse, you're massaging it in, getting under any fine facial hair, getting a clean, warm, wet washcloth and taking the cleanser off with that. It's really important to clean your skin well, and don't be in a hurry to do that. So I always suggest counting to 30 seconds when you're cleansing, and that after that is when you can take it off. So work it into the skin, circular motions, warm, wet washcloth, take that cleanser off. Second cleanse, you're applying it on the face, working it in again, and rinsing the second cleanse off with lukewarm water. The next item that is done twice a day. The next item that you can put on your skin is the Super Soothing Lotion. And the Super Soothing Lotion in this case might just want to be used in the evenings. And that is an aloe-based gel. It's a very soothing and calming gel. If your skin is sensitive, a little bit ruddy, maybe you have a little bit of eczema or dermatitis, the Super Soothing Gel is really nice. It's mostly aloe, and it's just very calming if the skin is sunburned, just red or irritated in any way. It can be used AM and PM, and it's a really soothing lotion. So the next item for your AM regimen is the whitening toner. The whitening toner is a treatment toner. It's one that comes in a spritz. It can be sprayed onto your fingers and patted in, or you can spray it on cotton and wipe it on the face. Because it has a lot of vitamin C in it, aids in protecting your skin from the sun again, which is really important, as we know, and it's a great treatment on the skin. It's hydrating, and we want hydrating and protecting when your skin is dry and sensitive. The next item that we have is your moisturizer. So we've got the cleanser, you've got your Super Soothing Lotion, your aloe-based lotion for sensitive skin if it's just a little bit sensitive because of eczema, dermatitis. We've also got your toner, your vitamin C toner, protects your skin from the sun, brightens the skin, helps with any little brown spots on the face in brightening, but it's also a hydrating toner. After the toner, you want to be putting on your vitamin C, and that's your serum. Your vitamin C serum is high in vitamin C, again, fights free radicals, it's a lightener, brightener, and protects your skin from the sun. So it's layering these things on your skin is really important to have your skin, be lighter and brighter and pretty to look at, in that you want your skin tone even, you don't want any little brown spots, or you want to keep them at bay, certainly lighter, but you still want your skin to be hydrated is really important. So vitamin C is a great serum for you to use in the AM. And then you're going to be putting on your Vital Day Cream, which is your Rejuve Plus Vital Day over top. That is a great moisturizer. It does not have alpha hydroxy acids, nor does it have retinol, but it's a great daytime moisturizer. And over any daytime moisturizer, when you go out, you always do want to put on a physical sunblock. So that's an important item to have at home, that you can be putting that on daily when you go out. The nighttime regimen is cleansing with your skin. As I said, you can use a little bit of your Essential Super Soothing Lotion after you wash your face at night. You then put on your Q flavonoid. Now, your Q flavonoid is a serum that is very sort of yellowish and brownish color. It stains the skin a little bit yellow. It feeds the skin a tremendous amount of nutrients, and it's a really great serum in hydrating the skin. It supports little blood vessels bristles, any sensitive areas, if there's eczema, dermatitis, it's a really great serum for a sensitive skin, and it feeds the skin a lot of nutrients, so it hydrates. It's a great serum, but it is a nighttime serum, and in this case you're putting it on at nighttime. Over top of your nighttime serum, you're going to be putting your bio-refining. Now your bio-refining does have a little bit of retinol in it, so sometimes when you put it on, it can be a little bit tingly on the skin, but we want to get to the fibroblast cells, because by getting to the fibroblast cells, you're stimulating your collagen elastin. And for a mature skin, we want to make sure that you're stimulating your fibroblast cells, because we want to tighten and tone that skin, and it needs tightening and toning. And I love that cream, love it, and use it myself, and it's a really fabulous moisturizer. So we use that, the bio-refining at nighttime. As I said, it's a great nighttime treatment product. It helps to lighten brown spots, keeps the skin really hydrated and tight toned. So that's a really important one. So we've got 8 items in this kit. The final item is the hydrating mask. Now, if you have areas where you have eczema or dermatitis and you don't want to use anything that has a little of your alpha hydroxy acid in, which is your bio-refining, the moisturizer I just mentioned, but your skin is dry and really sensitive and sort of broken in some way, maybe because of the eczema or the dermatitis, or you're just really dry, you've gone somewhere freezing cold, maybe you've gone skiing in Colorado, or somewhere where it's just a very windy in Chicago, something like that, where it's dry and your skin is just really dry. The hydrating mask is a great moisturizer. Now that mask is what I use in my treatments when I'm massaging the face, and so it's my massage cream, and I absolutely love it. It's fantastic. So it's also a great moisturizer. It doesn't have to be a mask that put on and leave on. It's a mask that I use it, put on, and it stays on the face. So it's often a great nighttime moisturizer, a daytime moisturizer, when you just want protection and hydration, and it's high in shea butter. It's a great product. So those are your products for the kit that is the aging more mature kit that's sensitive and irritated. And in that kit we've got our 8 items, our cleanser, you've got the essential soothing gel, you've got the Q flavanide, your nighttime serum, you've got your whitening toner, your daytime toner that's a treatment hydrating toner, you've got your vitamin C, your daytime serum, you've got your Vital Day moisturizer that goes over top of your vitamin day serum, you've got your bio-refining moisturizer, which is your nighttime treatment moisturizer, and you've got the hydrating mask to use anywhere in between or on top of as a hydrating mask that's super soothing. So that's the kit for the sensitive mature kit, and it's really great, so enjoy.